A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Sunday night, southeast winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming east 5 to 10 knots after midnight. Waves around 2 feet until midnight, then 1 foot or less. Wave detail.
That's some really cool lighting up in the sky.
A chance of thunderstorms. Showers likely until midnight, then a chance of showers after midnight. Monday, east winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming southeast 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots in the afternoon. Waves 1 foot or less, then around 2 feet in the afternoon.
Guys, I actually gotta...
Detail, southeast 1 foot in 3 seconds.
I gotta step aside for a sec.
Showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Monday night, southeast winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts
I gotta
20 knots.
go out to the pool area.
After midnight. Waves around 2 feet until midnight, then 1 foot or less. Showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms. Tuesday, north winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming northeast in the afternoon. Waves 1 foot or less. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Tuesday night, east winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. A chance of thunderstorms until midnight. A chance of showers. Wednesday, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming southeast in the afternoon. Waves 1 foot or less. A chance of showers. Wednesday night, southeast winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming south after midnight. Waves 1 foot or less until midnight. A chance of showers until midnight. Winds and seas higher and near thunderstorms. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island, issued at 4:07 p.m., Friday, July 3rd. Tonight, west wind 5 to 10 knots, becoming northwest late. Waves 1 foot or less. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight. Independence Day, northwest wind 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. A chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Saturday night, west wind 5 to 10 knots, diminishing to around 5 knots after midnight. Waves 1 foot or less. A chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight. Sunday, southeast winds around 5 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. Showers likely with a chance of... The following is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather Service. Severe thunderstorm watch number 448 has been canceled for the following counties: Depot, Maryland. Repeating, the severe thunderstorm watch number 448 has been canceled for the following counties: Depot, Maryland. The following is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather Service. Severe thunderstorm watch number 448 has been canceled for the following marine location: Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island, Maryland. Repeating, the severe thunderstorm watch number 448 has been canceled for the following marine location: Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island, Maryland. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island, issued at 4:07 p.m., Friday, July 3rd. Tonight, west wind 5 to 10 knots, becoming northwest late. Waves 1 foot or less. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight. Independence Day, northwest wind 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. A chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Saturday night, west wind 5 to 10 knots, diminishing to around 5 knots after midnight. Waves 1 foot or less. A chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight. Sunday, southeast winds around 5 knots. Waves 1 foot or less. Showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9 p.m. for east central Mercer, central Monmouth, and southern Middlesex counties. At 8:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Collingwood Park, or 7 miles west of Asbury Park, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Long Branch, Asbury Park, Old Ridge, Marlborough, Manila 10, Hinton Falls, Holden, Red Bank, Jamesburg, Highttown, Cranberry, East Freehold, Robertsville, West Freehold, Clearbrook Park, Yorktown, Elbaron, Twin Rivers, Willingham, and Collingwood Park. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike near Exit 80, Garden State Parkway between mile markers 102 and 114. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Mercer, Middlesex, and Monmouth. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island, issued at 4:07 p.m. Friday, July 3rd. Tonight, west winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming northwesterly. Waves
I had to take care of something, but you know what? We're gonna go out to the pool area to see this lightning show, because now it's turned from a damaging winds to it's transitioned from damaging winds to an epic lightning show. Oh shoot, it's a little bit hard to get back here. So it's time to see the lightning show. This is, as a weather enthusiast, this is my kind of fireworks show. This is the kind of fireworks show that I like. Like, that is some really good lightning up there, if you can see. And that's due to how unstable it is. It was 100 degrees today, and we got dew points in the upper 60s to low 70s. And so that's creating massive values of CAPE. So where should I put the camera? Because we got like this badass lightning up here, and there's actually some over there too, because there's like a few thunderstorms in the area. Now all this lightning is cloud to cloud lightning, at least the majority of it, at least that's in our area. And this caught me off guard. I was not expecting this. But this is like, it's constant, like non-stop. I haven't seen like this kind of lightning in a while. Yeah, so we didn't get 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts, but we did lose power, and we did have those. Did I just get a mosquito bite? Oh no. It's like these cotton things that landed on me right now. Alright, so that is an epic lightning show, and I'm not afraid to be out here. I'm near water and everything, but we're just gonna sit here, relax, and watch this lightning show. Should probably pull up a chair over here or something. I mean, I wish I could get a wider angle. I don't know if there is a way to do that though, on this camera. So there's actually like lightning bolts all around. All around this sky here. All around. There's some that are spider lightning. Some are just bolts, flashes. There's a lot to see over here. That is some epic lightning. This is probably the best lightning I've seen in a while. I don't know if I should sit in this chair because it's wet. Do I have a towel out here? I don't think so. It's okay. I'll just sit on a wet chair. It's not that bad. And remember, this could happen tomorrow too. I'm actually going to talk about the forecast for tomorrow a little bit. So I think in order to get like the best view of the lightning and everything, it's going to be a little hard carrying this chair. I'm going to put the camera at the back, like near the entrance, so that we have a wider view of the lightning. In fact, I can actually just put it right on the ground if I want. I don't need a fence around me. This lightning is technically harmless, but this is a really good lightning show. I haven't seen this in a while. Yeah, so did we get 70-mile-an-hour? We did not. Like, those were definitely not 70. They're probably maxed out at like 60. Yeah, I'm gonna get my My shorts wet, but I don't care. Alright, so the current conditions, it is currently probably much colder than it was. It's probably like in the 80s right now. It's 83 degrees. And it's definitely humid, dew point 69. So that is a really good storm there. So we are no longer in a severe thunderstorm warning, but there are severe thunderstorm warnings around us. And the severe thunderstorm watch number, it was 448. That remains in effect until 11 p.m. There's some just amazing lightning out here. It was nature's fury, but at the same time, it's beautiful. You guys like this kind of lightning here? You guys, are you a fan of damaging winds? Are you a fan of damaging winds, or are you a fan of lots of lightning? So it's going to be once again 100 degrees tomorrow. Today we had a 30% damaging wind risk and a slight risk of severe weather. We started off at a 15% damaging wind risk. Tomorrow we already have a 30% damaging wind risk for tomorrow. And that's going to be, but that is our only hazard. There's no tornado or hail hazard here tomorrow. And obviously damaging winds were the only hazard tonight. So yeah, did we hit 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts? I do not think we did. Let me check. I'm gonna check a local station. So it hit 101 degrees today. Does not say if we hit those damaging wind gusts or not. I think I really don't know. This is some of the greatest lightning I've seen in a while, though. I mean, you gotta expect this kind of lightning, because there's, like, with all the heat and everything, it was just crazy. Tornado warning? Or no, that's not here. Yeah, that's all. That's not, like, that's across the country. I just saw it, like, on the National Weather Service warning map, but that's not anywhere near us. Not anywhere near our region. So the extreme heat warning remains in effect until tomorrow at 8 p.m. So you can enjoy the heat. If you like having hot weather, if you don't like the heat, it will eventually be relieved. And it will still be hot. It'll be 88 on Sunday, and then much cooler, 77, only high of 77 on Monday. But it is supposed to be very humid that day with thunderstorms. So, in terms of tomorrow's severe weather, I'm not 100% sure how it's gonna play out, but it's looking like it might be something similar to what happened today. I'm looking at one model. This shows like a bow segment that almost looks like it could be a derecho, but that is just a single model running. That's obviously not reliable enough to be a realistic scenario, because I really don't think there's going to be a derecho tomorrow. It's oh, that was some really good lighting up there. It kind of like spiraled or something. It's meteorologically possible for there to be a derecho tomorrow, but it's highly unlikely, because, I mean, obviously we'll have the instability required for a derecho, but we probably don't have the dynamic forcing required. Or maybe we do, I don't know. But it's highly unlikely. But they often form out of surprises. Yeah, I think I hear like a beetle flying or something. A beetle, like a deep buzzing sound. And at night, those are typically beetles. Wow, that was some really good lightning up there. Alright guys, this is quite a lightning show. It's good to just sit out here and watch. My phone is slowly losing battery though. What is that? Is that a wasp right there? Oh crap. Actually no, that's probably just a beetle. And it literally like went right where I was sitting, so I'm gonna back up and hope it doesn't come near me. But you know, I really don't think that was a wasp. But yeah, so this is some really cool lightning, but I can't just stay out here forever. Like I mean honestly, I don't have anything to do tonight, so I could if I want to, but I don't want to like just sit out here forever, you know. So I think I'm gonna go put this chair back. I'm gonna put the chair back, and this is some of the greatest lighting I've seen in quite a while. I'm gonna go put the chair back and go sit inside or something. So, yeah, that was quite a storm. It's actually still a pretty good lighting show right now. I'm going to take one more YouTube short and then I think I'm going to go inside. And actually, if I can get a better view here, I'll elevate this tripod a little bit. Actually, I have an idea. I'm going to put it on this table. Now if it falls, it's gonna break. The camera's probably gonna break, but it won't fall. This is a really great lightning show here. The garage light is on. Do we have power now? Do we regain power? The power back on? Is that a lightning bug right there? If it's not a lightning bug, it might be a wasp. No, I'm pretty sure it's a lightning bug. This is some of the best. That shouldn't be a wasp because it's night. It should obviously be a lightning bug. Yeah. So this was probably like the best storm we've had in. Was this the best storm of the year? In terms of lightning, like general like cool lightning, I guess. I'd say yes, but in terms of damaging winds, like the intensity, no, I'd still say March 16th was the best. It was the most damaging storm we've had this year. And it sounds weird because it was March, but that was because there was such strong wind shear. And those events they're not that uncommon. I mean, if it were to happen, like, it could potentially happen, like, if the, it's a bug on me. It was probably just a lightning bug, so. I think they tend to land on you a lot. But yeah, that is quite the storm here. We did have a severe thunderstorm warning for 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Obviously, I do not think we reached that 70 mile an hour. But there's still a decent lightning storm, And it's starting to clear up on the backside of the storm. It's really starting to clear up. There's lightning bugs out here. Pretty nice. It's gonna be a quiet night. And I hope you guys enjoy. It's gonna be a pretty nice night. It's gonna be a good night. It's now that it's cooled down a bit. Actually, probably not. I'm sure it's still in the low 80s right now. It's not gonna cool below the upper 70s tonight. So yeah, we still gotta tough it out for another day. But then it'll be gone. It'll actually be below average temperatures on Monday with a high of only in the upper 70s, which is below average for July. But I'm thinking there could still potentially, oh man, there's a whole bunch of crap in our pool. There could still potentially be severe weather because, like I said, did I say this? I don't know. But there might be stronger wind shear. There might actually be strong wind shear that day. And if there is strong wind shear that day, there could be supercells. Because if you remember, on July 29th, 2021, we had a supercellular tornado outbreak, and the temperature that day, the high temperature was only 78 here. So yes, even if the temperature is below average, there can still be strong tornadoes and stuff if there's enough wind shear, and also obviously the dew points were in the 70s and everything, as they should be if we're talking about supercells here. So yeah, but I don't think it's gonna be nearly that bad, but I'll take a look at the model runs, because I could be wrong. I could it might actually be something pretty bad. I'm looking at the model runs right now, and they do not show a high supercell risk. Yeah. Maybe a locally higher supercell risk tomorrow. But yeah, I think tomorrow is going to be a greater severe threat than today. Let's look at our wind shear. Yeah, I think we have slightly stronger shear tomorrow. Alright, I see Mammatus clouds. Look! I'm gonna have to take a video of that. I don't think I've seen those here. Aren't they rare here? Yeah, I think those are Mammatus clouds up there. What a special storm. Doesn't appear to be as much lightning as there was. There's still some though. Alright, I think I'm gonna go inside now. I think I've seen enough. some areas in our region, like in New Jersey, are still under severe thunderstorm warnings. Alright, so that's going to be the end. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay safe, everyone, and have a good night. Look at these. I think these are Mammatus clouds. I don't know. I'll see you guys probably tomorrow. My radio's going off. Dude, there's something. Is that smoke? Is that coming from my house? Hold up. Oh, never mind. It's gone now. Is my house on fire? Oh no. The smoke is gone now. Maybe that wasn't smoke. Maybe that was steam. I don't know, man. There's a lot of stuff happening tonight. Ah! Dude, there's a lot of crazy stuff. And there's bugs out here that are bugging me. Even though they're harmless lightning bugs. And that's actually a perfect match, because you have lightning bugs with a lightning storm. Isn't that great? So I have no idea where that's... Wait. Someone's blowing up fireworks. It's not even Independence Day. What? Well, how? That was a fountain. Like, someone's blowing up fireworks and stuff. It's not even... Oh my god, that was a really good lighting. I wish I got that with my phone. But then it's true. That is in those Mammatus clouds up there. Oh my gosh. What a crazy night. What a crazy night. And it's going to get all clear after this. When the storm's done, it's going to be all clear. That is, like, this is just crazy, man. The video is about to end, but I really hope you guys enjoyed. It's a pretty crazy evening. Ah, come on, I can't shut this gate. Yeah, there's people doing fireworks over there. Like, how are we doing fireworks now? It's only July 3rd. What the heck? My goodness. What the actual... Alright. I hope you guys have a good night.
Here is the regional weather forecast.
There's a lot of special marine warnings.